Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. 250 grams sugar. Mix well for about 10 minutes with a blender. Subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. $280 grams plain flour. Sift the flour well. Mix well. With the help of 2 spoons, place it on the tray. I use parchment paper. You can create balls with the dough or fill the tray completely. I prefer to fill and spread the dough across the board. Subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. Sprinkle cinnamon powder on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Amazing! Enjoy!